बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। माय इंग्लिश बुक 7। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने पोएम पढ़ी थी चिल्ड्रन आर गोइंग टू स्कूल। वी विल डू इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप। लेट्स सी द इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप एंड ट्राई टू डू आवर रिटन एक्सरसाइज वेरी वेल। So let's begin our English workshop. Children are going to school. The first one is we have to recite and read the poem aloud. So we did that. So on question number 2, find at least 2 things from the poem that shows the following. A, it is early morning. We have to show that it's early morning. So first thing is morning light is spread over the earth. And the second one is the sun dress up in his golden muslin turban, waits and smile. And B, the atmosphere is pleasant. So number 1 is breeze sing their song of blessings. Number 2, fragrant flower awaken the sleepy road with their melodies. Question number 3, apart from children, no other human beings are mentioned in the poem. However, many natural elements are shown to act like person. Write each of them. So children are going to school पोएम में कोई भी ह्यूमन बीइंग नहीं है सिवाय बच्चों के, लेकिन फिर भी बहुत सारे पर्सन एज अ पर्सन बहुत सारी चीज़ों को इनैक्ट किया गया है. तो फर्स्ट वन इज द स्काई, bow his head in respect. The sun, dress up in his golden muslin turban. Breezes sing their song of blessing. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads. The people in his lush deep foliage wave his hand. Every particle of earth throbs like a mother's heart. So the next question is, why are these written with a capital letter at the beginning? Why the earth and other elements are written as a capital letter? So answer is, the name of natural elements are represented in the poems as humans. The name of the humans person begin with capital letters. They are considered as proper noun. So जो भी proper noun होता है उसको हम कैसे लिखते हैं? कैपिटल लेटर से. सो इट्स क्लियर. व्हाट डज टाइम डू? व्हाट डू वी अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम दिस एक्शन? टाइम क्या करता है? टाइम इज सिटिंग ऑन old roof and flying pigeons in the sky. It shows us that the time is watching the activities of people begin notice and being noticed and passing very quickly. Now question number 5, the whole world is happy because children are going to school. पूरी दुनिया क्यों खुश है कि जब बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं? तो आंसर इज, पेरेंट्स वांट देयर चिल्ड्रन टू गो टू स्कूल फॉर देयर एजुकेशन, वांट देयर चिल्ड्रन प्रोग्रेस एंड वांट देम टू लिव सक्सेसफुल लाइफ. इट इज देयर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. दे आर हैप्पी टू सी देम अटेंडिंग स्कूल. If you, question number 6, if you were to draw a picture of the scene described here, what color will you use? Mention the objects and the color using lines from the poem and your imaginations. अगर आपको पिक्चर ड्रॉ करने बोले तो आपके दिमाग में कौन से कलर्स आएंगे और आप कैसे करोगे? तो पिक्चर क्या होगा? द सन ड्रेस अप इन हिज गोल्डन मसलिन टर्बन. ऑब्जेक्ट द सन, तो सन के लिए कौन सा कलर होगा? कलर द ब्राइट रेड एंड येलो. So list all the verbs in the poem that have suffix x. हर किसी में suffix x होता है. ऐसे verb को आपको लिखना है. तो the suffix are spreads, bows, waits, smiles, waves, throbs, flies. Question number 9, write in 2 minutes at least 20 words related to the given words. So I have tried here. तो school, teacher, student, class, study, library, ground, benches and boards. Those are the related words. So you have to write all the words and related words to it and try to write as many as you can possible. So this is our English workshop.